At Auburn University and in the Harbert College of Business, we believe we provide an exceptional student experience. We have baked into our business curriculum opportunities for professional development.
In those foundational courses, we really want our students to get a knowledge of themselves and how they can move themselves through their 4 years here by connecting to student organizations, getting internships, meeting with employers, connecting to our amazing alumni.
So we invest in those communication skills, those soft skills that we believe employers value. We also teach them about building their professional network, both within the Auburn family and beyond the Auburn family.
As the team wraps around our student and helps them evolve into their majors, where they are connected with their program champions who are industry experts, so they go on to start their careers very well positioned to be tremendous leaders within their organizations.
When you put all of that together in one package that is the Harbert College of Business graduate, it is truly distinct.